Hi, my name is Helen Guadarrama. The name of my project is Lions and Giraffes Ecosystem First Person Game. The first step I did to begin was press a new project. There's 3 codes and I use first person action game because it has a basic setup you need to start as a beginner. You're gonna go down, well I went down, and the blocks were already set up. The 3 main keys to start the project were shape, color, and size. Here I basically set up the lion, the trees, and the giraffes. Then you go to agents and I added create, each, do, and scatter, and repeated the same process as the lions 2 times for the giraffe and the tree. You go up and you decide the shape and the color and the size. So my lion, their sizes are 4, their color is orange. The giraffes are yellow and their size is 5 because they have to be taller than the lions. And my trees, their size were 10, so the giraffes could reach with their long necks. And their color is green. Then I struggled setting up the giraffes because I didn't scatter, and that's a main point you need to achieve. Once you're done scattering and pressing all the blocks you want, you could be as creative as you want or do a basic thing. You're gonna go up, set up, and play. You're the lions and your main goal is to be the king of the energy pyramid. And you guide the lions toward the giraffes and basically eat them. Over time, the lions will eat up all of the giraffes, and that's how you determine it's the king of the pyramid. And that's the end of my project. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying. Bye.